What's going on, guys? I'm back here with another unboxing. I bought this here. It's another helicopter, but I didn't buy this one just recently. I had purchased this quite a long time ago and it just got here. So I actually purchased two of these from eBay, and they were it's at $20. I got it for $20, guys. So we'll go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. And the seller was 100, so I bought it from him. As a matter of fact, I'm not sure if I was auctioned in an auction or not. Something like that. But I did get him to lower it down for me, so I don't think it was an auction. Alright, let's see if I cut this thing off here. And it looks like I have to cut this off too. It looks like two boxes together, and I don't mind that. I like when people use old boxes to mail stuff out, because it's better on the earth, you know? I don't mind, because then it, you know, this stuff's all gonna go into the trash anyway. So when they reuse some cardboard, it's actually not a bad thing, because our earth is all tore up, you know. So here it is. It looks like it's packaged very well too. So let's see what we got. We got this. Oh, this person is pretty good. Call me. Review, feedback. Alright, so this person really cares a lot about their business, their eBay business. And I'll be sure to go ahead and leave a good comment. I mean, a good review. Alright, now I'll just go ahead and put this back down. Yeah, you can see it says fragile, I think, across it. Alright, guys, so this is what we got here. Let's take a quick look at it. And I got this for $20, guys. Could you believe that? And I believe it was a 15 something for shipping. So I jumped on it, because that's not nothing, you know. 20 bucks. I paid 20 bucks. I paid 30 for that little tiny helicopter I had, you know. Yeah, it's for 20 bucks and like $15 shipping, you can't argue with that, you know. And the seller is 100 too. So, and it looks like he packaged this up very good. You guys could see the box has a tear though in it, but other than that, it looks pretty good. Let's go and take a look at the front now. There's nothing on the sides neither, guys, of the box. So here you go. Here's the helicopter itself. This is an MJX. See that? And 27 megahertz. It's an MJX helicopter, and they're actually pretty good helicopters. They're not too bad. So that's the reason why I got it. And plus, like I said, it was only $20. So you got this, just in case. Alright, let's see what happens here when I take this out. It's giving me a hard time here. Man, this thing is jammed in there. I can't get this out. I'm gonna have to pull it out from the other side. Alright, guys, so I pulled it out, made a huge mess. I can't stand styrofoam. Everything looks pretty good. Blades, these are the blades with rubber going across them, so that when they do hit, they don't mess up too bad, you know, with those big old gashes in them. Looks like we have a little bit of scratch right here or something. But other than that, it looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and look at the controller. Okay, so here's the controller. Feels rather cheap, guys. And here's the little pegs, or the little pincher sticks for you to move it around. Okay, so leave that right there. We just look at this. It actually doesn't feel too bad. Probably need to put some glue behind that, but it actually feels okay. It doesn't feel too bad. Okay, so that's the controller, and let's go ahead and pull this out of here. Turn this way, and I brought some wire cutters, guys, so it doesn't take long, you know. That way it's just real easy for me to pull it out. Okay, and then we have our last feed inside here, which is this here charger. I wanted to check that out. 4 volts. So far it looks pretty good. It doesn't look bad. Oh good, it doesn't have a screw, guys. So I could just take the canopy right off of there. And we are left with this little tiny battery here, which is probably no good. See that, guys? I don't want to let this hang. Try to fix this. So we got our battery here, which I can't see how many volts. I'm gonna test it right now with my battery tester to see if I can get something out of it. So once again, this was a $20 purchase from an eBay seller that was 100% good feedback. So yeah, this thing's yeah, well, I'll just leave it like that. Feels like it wants to. This box is ready to collapse. It's definitely seen better days. Let me see this. Yeah, it's on. Alright, let's go ahead and let's see if this battery's in storage mode or it is trash. If it's saying 3.7, then it will be good, but if it's anything below that's probably trash. Well, we got it 7.3 and 3.7, 3.6, pretty much in storage mode, so it's not damaged the battery. That's for sure, because it's in 3.7, which is a storage mode for any type of lithium or lipo battery. Yeah, this feels like it's being pulled on, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But so far, guys, it looks pretty good. Pretty good. I wonder if I just pop it in there, what happens, you know? Where? Oh, here we go, right here. I turned it off, just... Oh. I don't see the lights turning on there, but I see this. So I'll have to be back with another video, guys, see if this thing works or not. Get some double A's in here. So I'll be back with a running video. Not bad for 20 bucks. Not bad at all. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.